In this guide, we are going over how you could fix Fall Guys error code 200_001 here on PC. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you're launching through Steam and running into this error, try installing and launching the game through Epic Games instead. But essentially, once you're in Epic Games, and this is through the Epic Games launcher, what you're going to want to do is navigate to your library, find Fall Guys, and click the three little dots. Now, I actually have Fall Guys through Steam itself, so I'm going to use Rocket League to demonstrate this, but select the three little dots, and then go ahead and select Manage, and hit Verify up at the very top. This is going to scan your game files and re-download anything missing or corrupted. Just let it finish completely before launching the game again. Sometimes this error happens because the launcher session is bugged. To refresh it, go ahead and select the profile icon up in the top of the launcher, hit sign out and then sign back in, and then try launching it again. This will fix it as well. But if you're still having any issues, what you're going to want to do is change your DNS settings. So go ahead and select the Windows icon down here and select settings, and find network and internet on the left hand sidebar and select your Wi-Fi network and hit advanced settings. I'm using Ethernet, so I'm just going to use Ethernet just like so. Scroll down, find DNS server assignment right here, select edit, and then go ahead and change it from automatic to manual and tick on IPv4. Once you do that, go ahead and find the preferred DNS and type in 8.8.8.8 and then change the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Hit save and then go ahead and restart your computer and then relaunch Fall Guys and you should be good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.